Hello guys, this is Vinit from Edge-Forex and today is the 16th of September 2024 and I wanted to bring to you guys a trade setup that's been in the making for over 4 years now, and you're looking at that on your screen. And if you've been following my work, you know that I'm a big fan of a handful of chart patterns, and cup and handle is one of them. And you can see this beautiful cup and handle on your screen formed on the silver chart, silver against US dollar, and it's 4 years in the making. So there has been a consolidation of over 4 years in front of your eyes, and I want to dig a little deeper into it, and I want to bring you guys along the ride. So let's talk about cup and handle. What exactly makes cup and handle chart format? Okay, so let's see what Mr. Google says cup and handle should look like. Cup formation. Now look for a U-shaped curve in the chart that resembles a cup. Check. The left side of the cup should be relatively straight and the right side of the curve upward. It is relatively straight up and the right is curving upwards. Perfect. All right. The depth of the cup should be at least 1/3 of the previous uptrend, and it's more than half. So everything checks. So what is a handle? A handle is a flag, a consolidation flag, which is a typical textbook consolidation that is happening right now, and it is in the process of breaking out as we speak. So I thought I need to show you guys what's happening in the silver market, and I am watching it very, very closely. We have been riding this since 25 area, 25, 26 area, and I was out there screaming from the mountaintops, guys, we are going in, and we are going in one step at a time, because we placed our limit orders at 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 5 of our orders have already executed, but that's not the beauty here. Beauty here is that we have a long way ahead of us, because I want to ride this all the way to 50, because that is my goal. That is our goal. Unless something dramatic happens, unless US dollar goes up so dramatically that silver actually takes a tumble, which I don't see that happening based on this particular chart pattern, because for this pattern to negate, all the price has to drop below 25, which I just don't see happening, because it's already broken the top of the flag here. So if that happens, all bets are off. We take our losses, we go look for another trade. But this is one of those trades that presents itself once every 4, 5, 6 years, and it gives you, and the risk to reward ratio is easily 1-10, because we are going to be placing trades all the way up to 35, and then we're going to ride it up to high 40s, and then before the euphoria hits, we are going to get out, because right now nobody's talking about silver. Silver is the most hated trade, uncrowded, hated trade in the marketplace right now, because what are people talking about? S&P 500. They're talking about gold to a certain extent. Why? Because gold is gone at all-time highs and is still climbing that wall of worry that I keep talking about. Gold is another beautiful trade that we actually got into at around 2000 level, and I've been telling you guys that, hey guys, now is the time to get into gold. And now our next target is 3000, and we should get there sooner rather than later. But our target on silver are a lot higher, because we've been accumulating silver for a few months now, and we've been telling you guys, constantly updating you, that this is what we are doing, and whoever has followed our advice is sitting pretty right now and accumulating. Now is the time to accumulate on any little pullbacks or move upwards. So that said, I am looking at a minimum, as I said, for high 40s. And why? Because everything is lining up for silver. Yes, this chart pattern looks great. Everything is looking great as far as the chart is concerned, as far as the consolidation, flag, pennant, breaking out of that. Yes, yada, yada, yada. That looks good. I like it. But there is more behind the silver story, which is the industrial side. And if you guys have been following the news that Samsung has come up with this new battery, which is going to revolutionize the automobile industry and the range on electric vehicle batteries. And that is where silver is going to play a major role. So the industrial demand for silver is about to skyrocket like anything, and it's going to give all the tailwind that it actually needed to propel silver to where it's at now, to take it all the way to 50 and much higher in the long term. I'm talking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Silver is going a lot higher. Silver is going to go into 3 digits. I know it sounds ridiculous because right now we're sitting at around 30, 31, and I'm talking 3 digits, which sounds really far-fetched, but I don't think it is, because I've done my homework. I have seen how suppressed the silver is at this point. And there's another rumor in the marketplace where, not a rumor, the fact is that Warren Buffett has dumped all of his Bank of America stock. Every single stock that Warren Buffett owns has dumped the marketplace. And the reason why, and there is a rumor, let me bring that up in front of you guys. There's a rumor in the market that the Warren Buffett is dumping his stock because Bank of America has this 800 million ounce short position in silver. And that is huge, guys. So when Bank of America goes to cover that position, they are going to take huge losses, and in the process propel silver prices way higher than they are right now. And I hope you guys understand what a short covering is. So when you sell something short, you are betting that the price is going to go lower for that asset. So you can sell now at a higher price and buy to cover at a later date at a lower price. So you bag the difference between the selling price and the covering price later. But if the asset price goes higher and you are forced to close your position or cover your shorts at a higher price, that means you have to take a loss. But when you are covering your short, you have to actually buy. What that does is that even makes the price go even higher. So that is what markets are expecting when the banks like Bank of America and other bullion banks are going to cover their short position, which is massive. And that is, Bank of America alone has a short position on silver that covers the entire year worth of production in silver mines worldwide. So that give you guys an idea how big a position we're talking about. So once they cover that kind of position, all that demand is going to come into the market for that silver position. And that is going to really boost the price of silver to levels that we can't even imagine. Because I don't want to sound like I'm peddling a conspiracy theory, because it's not. It is well researched. I have all the numbers to back my theory up. So what we are doing is at Edge-Forex, we have been opening silver positions for a very long time, since the price was around 25, and we have ridden it all the way up to 30, but we are not going to get out of it. We are actually adding to our positions. We just added to our positions today as soon as the market opened. And then we are going to keep adding our positions when it goes to 31, 32, 33, and so on, as I've explained it to you before. So that's all for this update. I think I really needed to get out and tell you guys what's going on, because I haven't given you any updates for the past few days. And the reason for that was that our YouTube channel was brought down by a hacker, and then we lost everything on our YouTube channel. And now we have created a new channel, and we have now restored a lot of our content into that channel. Not everything. So what we're doing is we're taking our latest content that we created, and then we're restoring that and then going backwards. So the most relevant content is restored at this point, and that took a lot of work by our entire social media team, and I was also giving them a hand in that. So that kind of took me away from giving you guys regular updates. But I'm back in action now, and I'll be giving you regular updates on a daily basis. So this was the most urgent one, because the price is moving as I record this. So now I'll be coming up with another update on around gold, and last but not least, another really important update around rate cuts. because there's a huge debate going on around 25 basis points versus 50 basis points. How is it going to impact the dollar? How is it going to impact the stock market? And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on those topics. So stay tuned, and I'll be talking to you very soon. Thank you.